Igihe cy'Uwiteka kiba ari igihe. Iyo Imana ishaka kwigaragaza ntawitangira. Irahari, ibaho, irakora. Abenshi ntabwo bajya babyemera. Ariko wowe wayemeye bigumamo. Ariko se wowe utarayemera uzabigenza ute? Nicyo ushaka ko cyakwemeza? Nicyo ushaka ko Imana yakora kugira ngo ubashe kwiyemera? Reka turebere hamwe uyu mwana wabashije kuganira, wabashije kubona Uwiteka, wabashije kubona Imana, akabona Yesu, akabona papa we wapfuye, mbese akabona ijuru. Noneho nawe wagira icyo wumvamo, wagira icyo ukuramo. Ariko wowe ugira icyo ukuramo, wandika amena. Ariko nawe utagira icyo ukuramo, utekereze, ushaka igisubizo.
Yeah.
Nice deep breath. Yeah.
You're okay.
I'm sorry.
Why?
I'm a bad kid.
No, you're not. You're not a bad kid,
I
Casey.
cause trouble.
No, you don't.
You just skateboard. You're
Deep
I
breath.
love my mom. I miss my mom. Where's my
I'm
mom?
right here.
I miss my
I'm
mom.
right here, Kason. Kason.
Hi, Jesus. You're so beautiful.
He's in a dream. He's dreaming.
Puke bag.
Oh.
It's over now.
I want Dave's hot chicken.
I think your mama will get you some.
Yeah.
Jesus, when you coming back? We need you. I need you.
Oh my God.
I miss you, Jesus. I miss you. Dad, you're so pretty. Hi, Dad. Do you see me skateboarding?
His dad passed away a year ago.
Oh my God.
You're so pretty. You're so pretty.
It's okay.
Mom loves you, Dad. She tells you all the time. I love Mom and Mom loves you, Dad. I love Mom. My mom's the best. She's the best mom ever.
You're heavier with the car seat. You're doing so good, Kason.
That's not my name.
Oh,
My name is Brian.
Brian. My name is Brian.
Hi, Dad.
Okay, Brian.
You're so beautiful. Oh, you're so beautiful. You have so beautiful hair. Dad, you're so beautiful. I can't wait to see you. Can you give me a hug? Dad, I'm sorry, Dad. I'll treat Mom better. I'll try. I'll listen. I promise. Yeah, I promise.
Yeah, I'm like falling over here.
Do you see Mom and Isaiah? Isaiah is so cute.
Oh, brother.
How old is your brother?
Dad, you're so beautiful. Give me a hug, Dad. I miss you, Dad. I wish I could tell you all the stories I know. Mom misses you. Kate misses you. Isaiah misses you a lot. I'm glad talking to you, Dad. I'm sorry. I love you, Mom.
I love you too, Jason.
I know that my dad is with me.
Your dad is always with you.
He's so pretty. I wish I was with you, Dad. It's so pretty up here. There's so many flowers and butterflies. And butterflies, a lot of butterflies in heaven.
Okay, Jason.
I miss Dad. I miss you, Dad.
Okay.
I miss my friends. I miss you, Dad.
Jason. Jason. Hey. Jason.
I love you, Dad.
Jason. Jason. Jason.
Oh, God is so pretty.
Jason.
God is so pretty.
Hey, look at me.
He has fire eyes.
Jason.
Yeah, he does.
I know he'll save everyone.
You're so sweet,
I'll pray for my nurses. I'm so happy for my nurses.
Jason. Can you see now? Can you see?
I see heaven. Heaven is so pretty. It's so pretty. Papa! Hi, Papa! I miss you. Give me a hug, please. I miss you, Papa. You're so strong. Dad, you have big muscles. You're so strong.
Jason. Hey. Jason.
Mom misses you, Dad. Mom loves you a lot. She wishes you were here. Mom's so beautiful. I miss you, Dad. I miss you, Papa.
Get you something
I
to
miss
drink?
Dad.
Hey, baby.
I miss you, Dad. Don't go away, please. Don't.
Is this normal? Okay.
I love you, Jesus. I love you, God. You're so pretty. You should see my mom. She's so pretty. She works so hard to provide for us, and I love her so much.
Wake up, bud.
I want to be better for her. I'm so mean.
You're
I'm
not
such a
mean.
bad
You're just a
kid.
teenager.
I'm so mean.
No, you're not.
I
No, you're not.
disrespect you,
You're
Mom.
not. I love you. I love
I
you.
say no to you, Mom. I'm sorry. I made a lot of friends, Dad. You'd be so... I hope you'd be proud of me. And you would be so proud of Isaiah. He's so smart. He's so cute. I miss you, Papa. I haven't seen you in a while. I can't wait to see you again. I'm sorry, Jesus.
Jason.
You should see my mom, Jesus. My mom provides for us. She loves you, Jesus. She loves you, Mom. She loves you, Dad.
Okay. Are you awake now?
Jesus loves you. She just loves having that talk with you. I love you so much. I want to spread the gospel more. The nurses were so nice. Make sure you make the nurses go to heaven. They're so nice to me. Everyone. My mom is so helpful. She provides for her family. She forgives. She reads the Bible. Sent it to heaven.
Wow, Imana ishimwe. Imana ishimwe kubw'imirimo yayo ikora. Imana ishimwe kubwo kwigaragaza. Muri make uyu mwana yarabonye ijuru pe, yaribonaga aho aryamye, abona Yesu, abona papa we, abona sogokuru we, ari we yitaga papa, undi papa we akamwita dadi. Abona Imana. Ubyumvishe wese arumva ibirimo. Urabyumva ko umwana yavugaga ati papa ndagukumbuye, urasa neza, ufite imisatsi myiza, ati Yesu ndagukunda, ati papa abo hashize igihe kinini tutabonana, numvaga nshaka kuza aho muri harasa neza. Wow. Biragaragara ko umwana yabonaga iryo joro kuko yaravuze ati mu ijoro ni heza, ndi kubona indabyo mu kirere hano hose. Yaravuga ati ndabona indabyo, ndabona ibinyugunyugu, ndabona mbese harasa neza. Mama umbabarire, ati papa nzafasha mama, nzamwumvira, nzakora ibi. Arongera ati Imana ifite mu maso h'umuriro. Mu by'ukuri uyu mwana yabonye ijoro. Ni iki wowe bikwigisha mu by'ukuri? Ni icyo ukuyemo? Ijuru ririho kandi uriharanira wese azaribona, azarijyamo. Ahubwo mureke twese dukora imirimo ikwiriye kugira ngo aho heza natwe ntituzabure amahirwe yo kugerayo. Byari bikwiriye ko buri umwe wese yitekerezaho.